Here's a question I wish someone had asked me sooner. Why do some people seem to get ahead financially without earning crazy salaries, while others work themselves to the bone and still feel stuck? That's exactly what Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki digs into, and honestly, it flipped the way I think about money on its head. The big lesson? The rich don't trade time for money. They make money work for them. Most of us, especially when we're just starting out, get caught in a cycle of working, earning, and spending. It's the classic rat race. But Rich Dad teaches that real wealth comes from building and owning assets. Things that put money in your pocket even when you're not hustling 24/7. And here's a game changer: understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. It sounds basic, but it's wild how many of us mistake liabilities, like fancy cars or bigger apartments, for assets. Kiyosaki says, focus on stuff that actually generates income, like investments or side businesses, instead of just draining your bank account. The other piece? Financial education. Schools teach us how to land a job, not how to grow our money. If you want to break out of the paycheck-to-paycheck grind, you've got to get financially literate. Read, take courses, talk to people who are where you want to be. And maybe the hardest part? Mindset. The rich play to win, not just to avoid losing. They take smart risks, learn from mistakes, and think long-term. That's the mindset shift that truly separates wealth builders from wage earners. So, what can you do right now? Track your assets and liabilities, invest in your own financial education, start small, but start, even if it's just a side hustle or a single stock, and surround yourself with people who inspire you to think bigger. Rich Dad. Poor Dad isn't just about money, it's about freedom. The earlier you start building assets and upgrading your mindset, the faster you'll get there. Don't just work harder, work smarter.